Now the question will be that how we are going to solve this infinite number of equations. So so observe that so observe that pi 1 is equal to r by s pi naught. Okay, now can you express using this uh, can you express pi 2 using this in terms of pi 0? Clearly yes. So if you substitute the above expression for pi 1 into the second stationary equation, you can express pi 2 in terms of pi naught as well. Okay, so similar way you can write pi 2 is equal to r by s whole square into pi naught. We can now substitute. So similarly we can write pi 3 is r by s to the power 3 pi naught. So in general, pi I is r by s to the power I pi naught. Okay, now question is, how do you verify that this above say equation A is correct? To verify, to verify you need to show that it is enough to show that it satisfies the stationary equations, right, which we wrote in last page. So like, what was the stationary equation? Pi I was equal to pi I minus 1 into r, pi I into 1 minus r minus s, and then pi I plus 1 is s. Now what is pi I? Pi I is r by s power I by 0. So r by s to the power I minus 1 pi naught r by s to the power I into 1 minus r minus s, r by s to the power I plus 1 into s pi naught. All I forgot to put pi naught in every places. Okay, but this is true. You can see, you can calculate this side and you will see this. Now you still need to know pi naught. How can you determine pi naught? How can you determine pi naught? This is also easy. From this equation actually you will get, sorry, from this equation that this pi naught, what was that? Yeah, from this equation actually this pi 1 plus pi 2 plus dot is equal to 1. So you can guess that you are going to get an infinite geometric series. So pi naught into 1 plus r by s plus r by s whole square, r by s cube plus dot infinity is going to be equal to 1. So pi naught into 1 by 1 minus r by s is 1. So pi naught is equal to 1 by r minus s. So now we have got pi I is equal to r by s to the power I 1 by 1 by r minus s, 1 minus r minus s. So now it is easy to see. And next question, what is the average number of jobs at the server? Expectation n, suppose n denotes the number of jobs at the server, then it will be pi 0 into 0, pi 1 into 1, pi 2 into 2, and so on. And so let rho is equal to r by s, then expectation of this n, 1 into rho into 1 minus rho plus 2 rho in square into 1 minus rho, 3 rho cube into 1 minus rho, and so on. So this is, you can take common rho into 1 minus rho, and then you can see this is 1 plus 2 rho plus 3 rho square, and this is, so rho into 1 minus rho, this is, you can actually think of that this is dd rho of 1 plus rho square plus rho cube, and so on. So this is rho into 1 minus rho dd rho of, this is 1 by 1 minus rho, and finally this is finally you can see that this is going to be rho into 1 minus rho. Okay, so okay,